Good morning everyone, or magandang umaga na naman sa inyo lahat. So it's another day, another vlog. So for today's video, I would like to share to you of my bonsai materials that in here in front of me, which is not exposed by sunlight, and the bonsai materials that is exposed on sunlight, and the bonsai materials also that have fertilizers, and the bonsai materials don't have fertilizer. I show it to you. So this is my bonsai materials that not exposed in sunlight. As you can see, it is green but unhealthy. This one is boxwood. The other one, I do not know the name of this one. Maybe ipil-ipil. And we have another bonsai materials here. So that's why this is under we put this under the sheets, because we just newly repot these three bonsai materials. Then I forgot then to expose in the sunlight. So maybe this morning I will bring this outside, then let them expose to the sunlight. So let's move on to the bonsai that is what we call is exposed in the sunlight. So this is the bonsai materials that are exposed in sunlight. As you can see, the leaves is healthy. And I'm just that one there. I'm using that's another bonsai materials that is overexposed in sunlight. That's why it's starting to yellow. So today we proceed to bonsai materials which is don't have any fertilizer at all. I forgot to put the fertilizer, and it is exposed in the sunlight but is unhealthy. So this is the one that is exposed in sunlight but no fertilizer. So this the bonsai materials. So I need to bring it there and put fertilizer, then some little trimming of that materials. So we proceed to another bonsai materials that I would like to share all of my subscribers and viewers. So let's go to the front yard of my house. So we have another one here. So this is kamuning, exposed in sunlight but no fertilizer. So that's why their leaves is turned to yellow. And we have also here another bonsai materials, which is a tugas bato, exposed in sunlight 100% but don't have fertilizer. So these are bonsai materials, including the other one that I show it in my video. I will bring that on my working table and some trimming and put fertilizers. But I have also something to share it to you here. This one, I have done that bonsai materials. That's my favorite one also. And we have another bonsai materials here. This is exposed in sunlight but have a fertilizer. As you notice, there are plenty of shoot coming up. And also this one here. So for this morning, I have something of what we call mini bonsai that I'm going to work on today. So that is also one of my design, my bonsai design. It's not so good for others to look at or what it called like that. So but for me, I like the design because that is the only one design for my bonsai making. So I love my own design. So anyway, let's go back to the working table now, starting working on my bonsai materials for this early morning on Sunday. So before working on my bonsai materials with Tugas Bato, I would like to share to you the bonsai materials Tugas Bato when it's still in a wild area. So this is the leaves of the Tugas Bato bonsai materials when you plant on the ground. Very big leaves, as you can see, like that. So we proceed now to the Tugas Bato bonsai materials that are already on my working table. So these are the Tugas Bato bonsai materials that it is already on my working table. This is this is need to be trimmed and put some fertilizers. So now I will put my camera on stand and start working on it. So time to work on my, I don't have enough space in here, so because there's a table on my back. So this is my job every day, or my work every day, working on my bonsai materials. Take off some unnecessary leaves, unnecessary branches, and if I have enough fertilizer, by the way, I'm using a complete fertilizer. It is 14-14-14 because I cannot afford to buy the slow release, which is Osmocot. It's so expensive. I cannot afford to buy that one. So I just using the ordinary fertilizer to maintain my bonsai materials here. So all I do is take off some unnecessary shoot that is coming out of my bonsai materials in here, because this materials is designed for grouping style. So this is another design for me. So I'm done working with my 4 bonsai materials, which is Tugas Bato. So I add some little amount of fertilizer, which is complete, or 14-14-14, because as I mentioned a while ago that I cannot afford to buy the slow release fertilizer or the Osmocot fertilizer. So these are my bonsai materials for today that I shared it to all of my viewers and subscribers. So just sharing lang po for my video for this Sunday noon. So once again, thank you very much for watching my video. Have a nice day. God bless you all. Bye-bye.